Good morning all. Temperature's dropped now down here in West Dorset. It's barely 10 degrees this morning. Well, today morning's nearly dinner time. But there we go. I'm a bit slow this morning. So I'm going to continue with my experiment with the onions. I do like onions. All different sorts. So what I'll show you first is the pips. Show you where we're going with those. They're going quite well. So I'll just flick the camera around. Hang on. So there we go. These are the onion pips that I started a little while back. I'll put the date down below so you can see. But as you can see, they are growing like crazy. So they might actually just bolt on, I don't know. But I think with this weather chilling off a little bit, it'll hold them back now. There's one there that ain't doing very well. He's probably rotten. He can come out in a minute. And there's one little one at the back struggling. But the rest of them are looking really well. I do like experimentation. So the other pips that I did a bit later, these were really tiny. And they've taken and they're starting to grow. So all's not lost. We could end up with some big onions next year. And the single onion, which I think was a Kelsey from last year that didn't do anything. But rather than waste it, I've popped it in that tub and we'll let it grow on. This morning's little experiment is with some banana shallots. And the one at the back I've cut in a bit hard. I must admit I made them bleed quite badly. But I'm just going to put these in some compost. This is the base compost from the sweet peppers, which was well rotted cow manure. So I think there's going to be enough nutrients left in it for onions. And you can see I've peeled one right back because he had a bit of botrytis starting to grow on the top of them. And I'll just put these into the pots like I've done that one back there. Give them more water, put them back to one side and see what they do. You know, it's always handy to have an experiment. I enjoy doing it. You never know what the results are going to be. So anyway, keep on gardening.